Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Pandas Airdrop. Everything you need to know, listing date, price prediction, and how to earn free tokens. The world of cryptocurrency is buzzing with opportunities, and the Pandas Airdrop is no exception. This exciting new airdrop is hosted on Telegram, offering users a simple way to earn free Pandas tokens by completing easy tasks. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newbie, this airdrop is your chance to grab free tokens before the official launch. What is the Pandas Airdrop? The Pandas Airdrop is a Telegram-based cryptocurrency event where participants can earn Pandas tokens without spending any money. By completing straightforward tasks like referrals and platform activities, you can accumulate tokens that will soon hold value on major crypto exchanges. If you missed out on previous popular airdrops like Coin and Dogs, this is your chance to jump in. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. How does the Pandas Telegram airdrop work? The Pandas airdrop is easy to participate in, but it's not your average tap to earn program. Instead, it offers a more engaging experience by encouraging users to actively complete tasks to earn tokens. Here's how it works. Referrals. Invite your friends and family to join the Pandas airdrop using your unique referral link. Each successful referral adds more Pandas tokens to your account. The more people you bring in, the bigger your rewards. Extra tasks. Apart from referrals, additional tasks are available on the platform. These tasks may include following social media accounts, joining specific Telegram groups, or sharing promotional content. The tasks are straightforward, and instructions are clearly displayed on the platform. Mining Pandas tokens. Once you've joined the Telegram group, you can start mining Pandas tokens immediately. Tokens accumulate based on your activity, tasks completed, and referrals. Step-by-step guide to joining the Pandas Airdrop. Getting started with the Pandas Airdrop is quick and simple. Follow these steps to begin your journey. Join the Telegram group. Click the official link to join the Pandas Airdrop Telegram group. Click the Start button. Inside the group, hit the Start button to activate your account and begin mining tokens. Complete tasks. Follow the instructions provided in the Telegram group or on the platform to complete the required tasks. Don't forget to share your referral link with friends to maximize your earnings. Track your earnings. Keep an eye on your Pandas token balance as you complete tasks and referrals. Pro tip: join as early as possible to get a head start on accumulating tokens before the listing date. When will the Pandas Airdrop be listed? The Pandas Airdrop is gearing up for its official debut on major cryptocurrency exchanges in September 2024. With the listing date drawing near, now is the perfect time to participate and accumulate as many tokens as you can. Listing on exchanges will make it possible to trade, buy, or sell Pandas tokens, unlocking their true value. Early participants will have a significant advantage, as they'll be holding tokens earned for free. Price prediction for Pandas tokens. The expected listing price for Pandas tokens is $0.0023 per token. While this might seem modest at first glance, remember that early adopters stand to gain the most as the token's value grows over time. Cryptocurrency prices often depend on market demand, platform utility, and adoption rates. If Pandas gains traction, the price could rise significantly, making the tokens you earn now even more valuable in the future. Why should you join the Pandas Airdrop? Free tokens with zero investment. Participating in the airdrop doesn't cost you anything, making it a risk-free opportunity to earn cryptocurrency. Easy and fun tasks. The tasks are simple and engaging, suitable for both crypto veterans and beginners. Referral rewards. Referring others amplifies your earnings, allowing you to accumulate even more tokens effortlessly. Early adopter advantage. Getting in before the listing date means you'll have tokens in hand when trading begins, potentially leading to substantial gains. Growing community. By joining the airdrop, you'll be part of an active and vibrant community of users supporting the project's growth. Potential future of Pandas tokens. The Pandas Airdrop is more than just free tokens, it's the beginning of an exciting crypto journey. As the project gains popularity and listings expand, the token's value could grow significantly. Here's why. Increased demand. With more users joining the platform, the demand for Pandas tokens may increase, driving up their value. Platform growth. If the project launches additional features or partnerships, the token's utility will rise, benefiting early adopters. Community engagement. A strong community can propel a token's success, and the Pandas Airdrop is already building that foundation. Key dates to remember. Airdrop ongoing. Join now to start earning tokens. Listing date, September 2024. The official launch on major exchanges. Price prediction, $0.0023 per token at launch, with potential for growth. The Pandas Airdrop is your chance to earn free cryptocurrency while supporting an exciting new project. Don't wait. Start today and build your token stash before the listing date. With the right effort, you could be sitting on a valuable crypto asset in no time.